Hey guys, welcome back again in this video. We are going to discuss if AI content is helpful for you to rank on Google or not. So let's get started. Before giving you the answer of this question, I'll give you a very useful example. So Google have recently launched an update which clearly mentioned that any content which is generative AI and doesn't have the intent for the user or reader doesn't work for you, right? But again, here's the catch. If you read this update carefully, you will find that the update actually talk about the low quality content. It doesn't go against AI content. So it means that in simple way, if the content is low quality and doesn't provide any intent for the user, that is not going to work. And that is a similar case if you're using a human being and writing a low quality content. So Google actually focusing on more valuable intent. It doesn't matter the content is coming from any AI writer or any human being, but it should need to be very good quality and need to fulfill the user intent. Second example is Google. A few months back, Google have changed the policy of the content writing. So Google have clearly removed this line, content by people to content for people. So this by people what have removed by Google, which clearly says that the content doesn't matter if it need to be comes from a human being. So it could be generated by AI, but again it need to fulfill the user intent. So let me summarize in this way. So if you are writing a content which is low quality, it doesn't matter if the content written by human or AI, it doesn't going to rank. But again, if the content is written by AI and it actually fulfilling the user intent, it's going to be ranked. So here's the bonus tip, how you can use AI to write the content which actually going to rank on Google. With my company GrowClick, what we have seen with lots of clients that we're actually using our own in-house tool to write the quality content. But again, if you wanted to use the content, so here's the tip. So if you wanted to write the content which actually Google want to rank, then always focus on the quality. Don't write low quality content just to meet your target or content publishing limit, but write a content which is worth to read and even you wanted to read it twice. So that is my pro tip here. I'll see you on another video related to the AI SEO tip. Have a good one.